Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to convert about Celsius into Fahrenheit. So here is about the formula in here. So we have 20 degrees Celsius. So this is about this one. So we just put number 20 gone here. So we got like this. So we can see that number 20 we can divide by number 5 in the fraction in here. 20 divided by 5 we have number 4. Nine with number 4, that is about 36. 36. So we have number 6 with number 2, that is about 8. 3 with number 3, that's about number 6. And the final answer, that is about D. This is the end. Thank you for watching.